Principle of inheritance variation. Important terms. Character. The term character is used for the phenotypic property of the individual such as stem height, flower color, type of hair, etc. Trait. It is an inherited character such as tall or dwarf, purple or white color of flower, curly or straight hair. Gene. The unit factor of Mendel was called gene by Johansen. In 1909, a gene is the unit of inheritance which is carried from parent by a gamete. Gene occurs in chromosome and controls the expression of a character in cooperation with other genes and environment. Alleles. The term allele was given by Bateson in 1905. Alleles are forms of the same gene which are found at the same place or locus on homologous chromosomes and control particular trait of a character, example tallness and dwarfness. Nowadays, the term allele is used for any form of the gene. Similar or dissimilar. Example: capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, small t. Locus: a fixed position or place on a chromosome that is occupied by a given gene on or one of its allele. The allelic genes occupy the corresponding loci in a pair of homologous chromosomes. William Bateson. Homozygote. The term was introduced by Bateson and Saunders in 1902. It is an individual which contains identical alleles of gene or factors of a character on its homologous chromosomes. The homozygote is pure for the character and breeds true, that is, it gives rise to offsprings having the same trait on self-breeding. Example: small capital T or small t, small t. It is of two types: homozygotes dominant, example capital T, and homozygous recessive, example small t, small t. Heterozygote. Bateson and Saunders, 1902. It is an individual which contains the two contrasting factors of a character or two different alleles of a gene on its homologous chromosome. It is not pure and is called hybrid for that character. Heterozygote does not breed true on self-fertilization. Example: capital T, small t. Hybrid. The heterozygote organism produced after crossing two genetically different individuals is called hybrid. The process of obtaining hybrid on hybridization is employed to improve the quality of economically important plants and animals as it combines the useful traits of different varieties. The harmful effect of recessive traits disappear as the dominant traits of all the characters of the parent often come together in the hybrid. As a result, the hybrid possesses the number of characters in which parents differ from each other. There may be monohybrids, dihybrids, trihybrids, etc. F1 generation. F1 or first filial generation is the generation of hybrids produced from a cross between genetically different individuals called parents. For example, capital T, small t. Individuals are produced in F1 generation from a cross between the capital T, small t parents. F2 generation. F2 on second filial generation is the generation of individual which arises as a result of inbreeding or interbreeding amongst individuals of F1 generation. Genotype. It is the gene complement or gene constitution of an individual with regard to one or more characters, irrespective of whether genes are expressed or not. For example, the genotype of hybrid tall pea plant is capital T, small t, pure tall, capital T, dwarf, small t, small t. Phenotype. It is observable distinctive structural characteristics of an individual with regard to one or more characters which is a result of gene products brought to expression in a given environment. Genome. It is the entire genetic set of a prokaryote or virus or the haploid genetic set of a eukaryote. Gene pool. The aggregate of all the genes and their alleles present in an interbreeding population is known as gene pool. Reciprocal cross. A second cross of the same genotype in which sexes of the parental generation are reversed is called reciprocal cross. The cross capital A into small a is the Reciprocal of the cross of small a, cross capital A, capital A. Punnett square. It is a checkerboard or square divided into small squares as shown in the figure. It was developed by British geneticist Punnett, 1927, and is known after his name as Punnett square. Back cross. The cross of an F1 hybrid with one of the two parents is called back cross. In such cases, there are two possibilities. A. In one possibility, there is cross between F1 hybrid and dominant parent. In such a cross, plant will be 100% tall. In second possibility, there is cross between F1 hybrid and recessive parent. In such a cross, plant will be 100% tall. Use of back cross. In plant breeding, back cross is performed a few times in order to increase the trait of that parent. For example, a crop plant is crossed with a wild variety in order to obtain its disease resistance. A cross between an individual or of unknown genotype and recessive parent is called test cross. There are two possibilities of such a cross. When pure dominant violet flower parent plant of an unknown genotype plant is crossed with a pure recessive white flower parent. In such a cross, 100% plants will be violet flower as in the normal monohybrid cross. When hybrid dominant violet flower plant of unknown genotype is crossed with a pure recessive white flower parent plant, in such a cross 50% plant will be violet flower and 50% plant will be the white flower. Use of test cross. It is called test cross because it is used to test whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous. It is also used as a test for linkage. Types of test cross. Test cross is of two types, monohybrid and dihybrid. Monohybrid. It is a cross between two organisms of a species which is made to study the inheritance of single pair of alleles of a character. Dihybrid cross. It is a cross between two organisms of a species which is made to study the inheritance of two pairs of factors or alleles of two genes. Pure line. The term was coined by Johansen in 1900. Pure line is the progeny of an organism that is homozygous because of continued inbreeding. In homozygous form, both the alleles express the same effect. Such characters do not show any change on continued selfing, hence these organisms are said to be breed-proof. Heredity. There is an old proverb that be like beget like. Heredity is the transmission of genetic characters from parents to their offspring. Heredity is also called inheritance. Inheritance is actually the process by which characters or traits pass from one generation to next. Genetics, the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation in known as genetics. The term genetic was given by William Bateson in 1906. Gregor Johann Mendel is known as father of genetics. Mendel died in 1884, long before his work came to be recognized. It was in 1900 three scientists independently rediscovered the principles of heredity. They were Hugo de Vries of Holland, Karl Sporens of Germany, Erich von Schmarck-Seisneg of Austria. Mendel selected garden pea 2n equals to 14. Characters of garden pea picked by Mendel. Seed shape, seed cotyledon color, flower color, seed pod color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, stem height. Emasculation. Emasculation means removal of male sex organ. In the flower which were to function as female parents, stamens were removed before the pollen grains matured. Bagging. The flowers were covered with paper bags in order to avoid contamination from foreign pollen. Dusting. Pollens were collected from flowers selected to function as male parents. They were dusted with the help of fine brush over the stigma of emasculated flower. Soon after dusting, the flowers were covered. Reciprocal cross. A second cross of the same genotype in which the sexes of the parental generation are reversed is called reciprocal cross, which gives the same result. Inheritance of one gene. Every character is controlled by a gene that has at least two alleles. Study of inheritance of a single gene of a character at a time is called inheritance of one gene. When two alleles represent different traits of the same character, the individual having such a pair of allele is called heterozygous or hybrid. Example, capital T small t. Law of dominance. Characters are controlled by discrete unit called factors, now called alleles. Alleles occur in pairs. Out of two alleles, only one allele which expresses itself in the hybrid is called dominant allele, and the other allele which is unable to express in the hybrid is termed as recessive allele. Law of segregation. According to the law of segregation, two alleles of a gene controlling each character stay together in the individual, but during gamete or spore formation by meiosis, the alleles of a pair segregate from each other so that a gamete or spore carries only one allele of a character. Since one gamete or spore contains one allele of each character, all gametes or spores are always pure. The law of segregation is therefore also called law of purity of gametes or spores. Inheritance of two genes. Study of inheritance of two genes, that is two pairs of alleles of two characters at a time. Dihybrid cross is called inheritance of two genes. Law of independent assortment. According to this law, the alleles of two pairs of traits separate independently of each other during gamete or spore formation and get randomly rearranged in the offspring at the time of fertilization, producing both parental and new combination of traits. Exception to the law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment is applicable to only those factors or genes which are either located distant on the same chromosome or occur on different chromosomes. Actually, a chromosome bears hundreds of genes. All the genes or factor present on your chromosome are inherited together except when crossing over takes place. The phenomena of inheritance of a number of genes or factors due to their occurrence together on the same chromosome is called linkage. The linkage is exception to the law of independent assortment. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is the phenomena where none of the two alleles of a gene is dominant over each other, so that when both are present in a new phenotype is formed which is somewhat intermediate between the independent expression of the two alleles. Incomplete dominance was discovered by Carl Scorens in 1903. Example, flower color in snapdragon and 4 o'clock, Antherinum majus, snapdragon or dog flower, and Mirabilis violapa, 4 o'clock. There are two types of flower color in pure state, and red and white, when two types of plants are crossed, the hybrids or plants of F1 generation are pink flowers. Andalusian fowls. They have two pure forms, black and white. If the two forms are crossed, F1 individuals appear blue colored due to the occurrence of fine alternate black and white strips on the feathers. The unmodified allele which represents the original phenotype is the dominant wild type, and the modified allele is generally the recessive allele mutant type. Codominance. When both the allele of a gene express themselves simultaneously in a heterozygote, this condition is called codominance. Both the allele which are present together in heterozygotes individually but neither show dominant recessive relationship nor show intermediate condition but express their traits independently are known as codominant alleles. Note: codominant allele should not be confused with incomplete dominance. In the latter case, the effect of one of the allele is more pronounced. Symbols used for codominant allele are different. Here the codominant allele shown by the same capital letter with different superscript, example IA, IB, HBA, HBS. Another method is to be shown them by their own capital alphabets, example R for red hair and W for white hair in cattle. Persons with IO alleles have blood group O because they neither have antigen A or antigen B. Persons with IA or IO alleles have blood group A because alleles IA is dominant on allele IO. Persons with IB or IBIO alleles have blood group B. Persons with IA, IB alleles have blood group AB because with both IA and IB alleles are codominant. Multiple alleles. More than two alternative forms of a gene in a population occupying the same locus on a chromosome or its homologue are known as multiple allele. There are characteristics. There are more than two alleles of the same gene. Example, 15 alleles for eye color and Drosophila. 3 alleles for blood group in humans, 4 alleles for coat color in rabbit. All of them are mutants of the same wild allele. All the multiple alleles of the gene occur on the same gene locus of the same chromosome or its homologue. An individual possesses only 2 alleles of a gene. A gamete or a chromosome carries only one allele of the group. Its multiple allele express different alternatives of a single trait. Different alleles may show codominance, dominance, recessiveness, or incomplete dominance among themselves. Multiple alleles follow Mendelian part of inheritance. Note: persons of O blood group are called universal donors. The person of AB blood group have both antigen A and B in their RBCs but no antibodies in the plasma. Such person cannot donate blood to persons of other blood group but can receive blood from all other persons, hence they are called universal recipient. Importance of ABO blood group. They are helpful in solving cases of disputed parentage. The knowledge of ABO blood group is also useful in settling cases of illegitimacy. Blood test can be used to solve cases of claimants to estates or in certain kinds of criminal proceedings. Pleiotropy. A condition in which a single gene influences more than one trait is known as pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is due to the effect of the gene on two or more interrelated metabolic pathways that contribute to formation of different phenotypes. Sometimes the effect of a pleiotropic gene is more evident in case of one trait, major effect, and less evident in case of others, secondary effect. Occasionally, a number of related changes are caused by a gene. They are together called syndrome. An example of this disease is called disease phenylketonuria, which occurs in humans. The disease is caused by a mutation in gene that codes for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This manifests itself through phenotypic expression characterized by mental retardation and reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. Polygenic inheritance. Qualitative inheritance. It is a type of inheritance in which a single dominant gene influences a complete trait. The presence of two such dominant genes does not alter the phenotype. The gene in which a dominant allele expresses the complete trait are called monogenes. Example: TT, capital T or capital T small t. For tallness in T. Quantitative inheritance. It is a type of inheritance controlled by generally 3 or more genes in which dominant alleles have cumulative effect, with each dominant allele expressing a part of unit of the trait, the full trait being shown only when all the dominant alleles are present. The genes involved in quantitative inheritance are called polygenes. Qualitative inheritance is therefore also called polygenic inheritance. It is also named as multiple factor inheritance. Polygene is defined as gene where one dominant allele controls only a unit or partial quantitative expression of trait. It is also termed as gene in which a dominant allele individually produces slight effect or on the phenotype, but in the presence of similar other dominant allele controls the quantitative expression of a trait due to the cumulative effect. Hence, polygenes are also called cumulative genes. Human skin color is a classic example. Human skin color is caused by pigment melanin. The quantity of melanin is due to 3 pairs of polygenes A, B, C. If black or very dark, A, B, B, C, C, and white or very light individual marry, the offspring or individuals of F1 generation show intermediate color of often called mulatto. A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. When two such individuals marry, the skin color of children will vary from very dark or black to very light or white. A total of 8 allele combination is possible in the gametes, forming 27 distinct genotypes distributed into 7 phenotypes. 1 very dark, 6 dark, 15 fairly dark, 20 intermediate, 15 fairly light, 6 light, 1 very light. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel's work remained unrecognized till 1900. Firstly, communication was not easy in those days and his work could not be widely publicized. Secondly, his concept of gene as stable and discrete units that control the expression of traits and of the pairs of alleles which did not blend with each other was not accepted by his contemporaries as an explanation for the apparently continuous variation seen in nature. Thirdly, Mendel's approach of using mathematics to explain biological phenomena was totally new and unacceptable to many of the biologists of the time. By 1902, the chromosome movement during meiosis had been worked out. Walter Sorten and Theodore Boveri noted that the behavior of chromosome was parallel to the behavior of genes and used chromosome movement to explain Mendel's law. Comparison between genes and chromosomes. Both genes and chromosomes are transferred from generation to generation without any change. They both occur in pairs. Both segregate during gamete formation, so that a gamete receives only one chromosomal and one allele of a pair. Both genes and chromosomes show law of independent assortment. Sutton and Boveri argued that the pairing and separation of a pair of chromosomes would lead to the segregation of a pair of factors they carried. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principle and called it the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Reasons why Morgan chose Drosophila melanogaster. They could be grown on a simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. They complete their life cycles in about 2 weeks, and a single mating could produce a large number of progeny flies. There was a clear differentiation on the sexes. The male and female flies are easily distinguishable. It has many types of hereditary variation that can be seen with lower power microscope. Linkage and recombination. Linkage is the tendency of genes to stay together during inheritance through generation without any change or separation due to their being present on the same chromosomes. The genes located in the same chromosome are called linked genes, and those present in different chromosomes are termed unlinked genes. Linkage group. Genes that are present on the same chromosome make one linkage group. They inherit together except for crossing over. Example, fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster has 4 linkage groups. Morgan's concept of incomplete linkage. Morgan and his group found that even when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes were very tightly linked while others were loosely linked. Higher recombination. Incomplete linkage in Drosophila for body color and eye color. In Drosophila, crossing of yellow-bodied and white-eyed female with brown-bodied, red-eyed male producing F1 to be brown-bodied, red-eyed on intercrossing of F1 progeny. Morgan observed that the two genes did not segregate independently of each other, and therefore the F2 ratio deviated significantly from expected 9:3:3:1 ratio. He found 98.7% to be parental and only 1.3% recombinant. Thus, these genes were very tightly linked and show very low recombinant. Incomplete linkage in Drosophila for eye color and wing size. In a second cross in Drosophila between white-eyed and miniature-winged female with wild-type or red-eyed normal wing males, all the F1 were found to be of wild type, that is red-eyed and normal-winged. An F1 female fly was then crossed with wide-eyed and miniature-winged male. 60.8% of the progeny was of parental types, while 37.2% were recombinant. Thus, these genes were loosely linked and showed higher recombination. Morgan's student Alfred Studevart used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between the genes and mapped their position on the chromosome. Factors affecting linkage. Age. With advancing age, the chances of crossing over are reduced, and hence strength of linkage increases. Temperature. Rise in temperature increases the chance of crossing over, therefore decreases the strength of linkage. Radiation. The radiation like UV rays and X-rays decrease the linkage. Radiation causes recombination and crossing over. Distance. The increase in distance between two genes decreases the percentage of linkage. Sex linkage or sex-linked inheritance. The sex chromosome X and Y carry genes for sex determination and also some genes for some somatic characters. The genes for some somatic character present on sex chromosome are called sex-linked genes. The characters which are controlled by the sex-linked genes are termed sex-linked character, and their inheritance is known as sex-linked inheritance. Their location in the sex chromosome is called sex linkage. The sex linkage was first discovered by Morgan in 1910 in the fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster. Characteristics of sex-linked inheritance. It is criss-cross inheritance. Father does not pass the sex-linked allele of trait. The same is passed to the daughter from where it reaches the grandson, that is diaganic. It is because the males have only X chromosome which is transferred to the female offspring, but this sex chromosome does not carry many alleles. Criss-cross inheritance. It is a type of sex-linked inheritance where parent passes the trait to the grandchild of the same sex through offspring of the opposite sex. That is, father passes the traits to the grandchild of the same sex through offspring of the opposite sex. That is, father. It was first studied by Morgan 1910 in case of eye color in Drosophila. Crossing over and recombination. Recombination is new arrangement of gene present in offspring that is different from those of parents due to independent assortment. Crossing over and random combination during fertilization. Thus it is clear from its definition that the recombination may be caused by crossing over is mainly discussed. Crossing over is the mutual exchange of segments between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome in the packetine of meiosis, one producing new combination of alleles of the sex-linked genes. Linkage maps or chromosome maps. A linkage or genetic chromosome map is a linear graphic representation of the sequence and relative distance of the various genes present in a chromosome. The first chromosome maps were prepared by Studevart in 1911 for 2 chromosomes and in 1913 for all the 4 chromosomes of Drosophila. Sex determination. Establishment of male and female individuals or male and female organs of an individual is called sex determination. In majority of diploid and unisexual animals, the sex of the individual is determined by specific chromosome. These chromosomes are called sex chromosome or allosomes or idiochromosomes. A sex chromosome that determines the male sex is called androsome, example Y chromosome in humans. The normal chromosome other than the sex chromosome, if present of an individual, are known as autosome. The sex chromosomes may be similar in one sex and dissimilar in another. The two conditions are respectively called homomorphic and heteromorphic. Individuals having homomorphic sex chromosome produce only one type of gamete. Hanking, 1891, discovered an X body in 50% of the sperm of firefly. Y body was discovered by Stevens. McClung, 1902, observed 24 chromosome in female grasshopper and 23 chromosome in male grasshopper. Wilson and Stevens, 1905, put forward chromosome theory of sex and named the X and Y bodies as sex chromosome X and Y. Heterogenesis. Chromosomal or allosomic determination of sex is based on heterogenesis or occurrence of two types of gametes in one of the two sexes. Male heterogamety. Males produce two types of sperms and the female produce only one type of egg. Example, XXXY type, found in Drosophila and humans. Female heterogamety. Female produce two types of eggs and male produce only one type of sperm. Example, ZWZZ type, found in birds. Grasshopper is an example of exotype of sex determination, in which males have only X chromosome besides the autosome, whereas females have a pair of X chromosome besides the autosome, whereas females have a pair of X chromosome. In a number of insects and mammals, including man, XY type of sex determination is seen where both male and female have same number of chromosomes. Among the males, on X chromosome is present, but its counterpart is distinctly small, called the Y chromosome. Females, however, have a pair of X chromosome. Both male and females bear the same number of autosomes, hence the males have autosome plus XY while autosomes plus XX. In human beings and in Drosophila, the males have one X and one Y chromosome, whereas the females have pairs of X chromosome besides autosomes. Sex determination in humans. Human beings have 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes. All the ova formed by females are similar in the chromosome. All the ova formed by females are similar in the chromosome type 22 plus X, therefore females are homogametic. The male gametes or sperm produced by human males are of two types, 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. Human males are of therefore heterogametic, male digamety or male heterogamety. Sex of offspring. Sex of offspring is determined at the time of fertilization. It cannot be changed later on. It is also not dependent on any characteristic of the female parent. Because the latter the homogametic and produces only one type of X, 22 plus X. The males and gametes are of two types, androsperms 22 plus Y and gymnosperms 22 plus X. They are produced in equal proportion. Fertilization of the egg 22 plus X with the gymnosperm 22 plus X will produce a female child 44 plus X. While fertilization with an androsperm 22 plus Y gives rise to male child 44 plus XY, as the two types of sperms are produced in equal proportion, there are equal chances of getting a male or female child in a particular mating. As Y chromosomes determine the male sex of the individual, it is also called androsome. It is evident that it is genetic makeup of the sperm that determines the sex of the child. Sex determination in honeybee. The sex chromosome in honeybee is based on the number of sets of chromosome an individual receives. An offspring formed from the union of sperm and egg develops as a female, and an unfertilized egg develops as a male by means of parthenogenesis. This means that half of the number of chromosomes that of female. The males are diploid, having 32 chromosomes, and males are haploid, that is, having 16 chromosomes. This is called as haplodiploid sex determination system, and has special characteristic features such as the male produce sperms by mitosis. They do not have father and thus cannot have sons, but have a grandfather and can have grandsons. Genetic variation. Genetic variation arises due to two main reasons: recombination and mutation. Recombination. They are reshuffling of parental genes and linkages so as to produce new genotype. Recombination develops due to three reasons: independent assortment of chromosome during meiosis or gamete formation, random fertilization or random fusion of gametes crossing over. Mutation. Mutation is a phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequence and consequently results in changes in genotype, and the phenomena that leads to variation in DNA. One DNA helix runs continuously from one end to the other in each chromatid in a highly supercoiled form. Therefore, loss or gain of a segment of DNA result in alteration in chromosomes. Since genes are known to be located on chromosomes, alteration in chromosome results in abnormalities or aberration. Chromosome aberration are commonly observed in cancer cells. In addition to the above, mutation also arises due to change in a single base pair of DNA. This is known as point mutation. A classical example of such mutation is sickle cell anemia. Deletions and insertion of base pairs of DNA causes frame shift mutation. There are many chemicals and physical factors that induce mutation. These are referred to as mutagen. Radiations can cause mutation in organism. It is a mutagen. Gene mutation. Gene mutation is the change in expression of gene which is caused by change in number, sequence and type of nucleotides. When gene mutation occurs due to change in a single gene base pair or DNA, it is known as point mutation. When mutation is due to change in more than one base pair or entire gene, it is called cross mutation. Most of the gene mutations develop due to errors in DNA replication. They are therefore also called copy error mutation. Mutagenesis is the process of inducing mutation by a number of physical, chemical or biological agents. The agents that cause mutation are called mutagens. Mutation induced by mutagens is called induced mutation. There are three types of mutagens: physical, chemical, biological. Physical mutagens, they are of two types: temperature and high energy radiation. Temperature. Increase in temperature increases the rate of mutation with Q10 equals to 5, that is increases 5 times with every 10 degree rise in temperature. High energy radiation, they include neutrons, alpha particles, cosmic rays, gamma particles, beta rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, etc. UV rays are non-ionizing radiation which affect the DNA by forming thymine dimers. Chemical mutagens. The common ones are nitrous acid, alkylating agent bases, analogues, and acridanes. Pedigree analysis. A record of inheritance of certain genetic trait for two or more generations presented in the form of diagram of family tree is called pedigree. Problems in the study of human inheritance. The problems are generation time is long. A research worker can observe 3 to 4 generations in one's lifetime. Homozygous traits are very few. Human chromosome number is large. Symbol used in pedigree analysis. In a pedigree, a square represents the male, a circle the female. Solid symbol shows the trait under study or affected individual. Unaffected or normal individual by an open or clear symbol, and a cross or shade in the symbol signifies the carrier of recessive allele. Words can also be used in places of symbols. Parents are shown by horizontal line while the spring are connected to it by a vertical line. Usefulness of pedigree analysis. It is useful for the genetic counselors to advise intending couples about the possibility of having children with genetic defects like hemophilia, color blindness, alkaptonuria, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, brachydactyly, and syndactyly. Dominant trait. Pedigree analysis indicates that Mendel's principles are also applicable to human genetics, with some modification found out later like quantitative inheritance, sex-linked characters, and other in Queen Victoria, and spread in royal families of Europe through marriages. It can indicate the harm of a marriage between close relatives may cause. Human genetic disorders. Human genetic disorders are broadly grouped as follows: chromosomal disorders, Mendelian disorders. Chromosomal disorders. These genetic disorders are caused due to the absence or excess of abnormal arrangements of one or more chromosomes. These are non-heritable, and pedigree analysis of a family does not help in tracing the pattern of inheritance of such chromosomal activities. These are of two types: abnormalities due to aneuploidy and aberrations either in autosome or in sex chromosome. Polyploidy condition is often seen in plants. Autosomal abnormalities. These are due to autosomal aneuploidy and aberration. Important example is Down syndrome. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosome number 21. Both the chromosome of pair 21 pass into a single egg due to non-disjunction during oogenesis. Thus, the egg possesses 24 chromosomes instead of 23, and offspring has 47 chromosomes. 45 plus XY in male, 45 plus XX in female instead of 46. Down syndrome is also called 21 trisomy. It is characterized by round face, broad face, forehead, permanently open mouth, protruding tongue, projecting lower lip, short neck, flat heads, and stubby fingers. Many loops on fingertips, coarse and straight hair, furrowed tongue, broad palm with characterized palmar crease, which runs all the way across the palm. Sex chromosomal abnormalities. Turner's syndrome. Such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome, that is 45 with XO. Such persons are sterile females who have rudimentary ovaries filled with connective tissues, undeveloped breasts, small uterus, puffy fingers, short stature, webbed neck, and abnormal intelligence, cardiovascular abnormalities, and hearing impairment. They may not menstruate or ovulate. 1 in every 3,000 female births is a victim. Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting into karyotype of 47XXY. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development is also expressed. Such individuals are sterile. Mendelian disorder. Color blindness. It is a sex-linked in a recessive disorder due to effect in red or green cone of eye, resulting in failure to discriminate between red and green color. The defect is due to the mutation in certain genes present in X chromosome. It occurs in about 8% of males and only about 0.4% of females. This is because the genes that lead to red-green color blindness are on X chromosomes. Males have only X chromosomes and females have two. The son of a woman carries the gene has 50% chance of being colorblind. The mother is herself not colorblind because the gene is recessive. That means its effect is suppressed by a matching dominant normal gene. A daughter will not normally be colorblindness unless a mother is carrier and a father is colorblind. Colorblindness, like any other sex-linked trait, shows crisscross inheritance. 50% of the male children shall be colorblind. If a carrier woman marries a normal man, 50% of the female children shall also carry the recessive allele for colorblindness, but they have normal vision because the dominant allele for normal vision is also present in them. Hemophilia. It is a sex-linked disease which is also known as bleeder's disease, as the patient will continue to bleed even from a minor cut since he or she does not possess the natural phenomena of blood clotting due to the absence of anti-hemophilic globulin of factor 8 and plasma thromboplastin factor 9. Hemophilia B Christmas disease. Essential for it. As a result of continuous bleeding, the patient may die of blood loss. There is no permanent cure of disease. The heterozygous female for hemophilia may transmit the disease to son. The possibility of a female becoming hemophilic is extremely rare because mother of such a female has to be at least carrier and the father should be hemophilic. Sickle cell anemia. This is an autosome-linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parent to the offspring when both the partners are carrier for the gene. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, HbA and HbS. Out of 3 possible genotypes, only homozygous individual for HbS show diseased phenotype. Heterozygous individual appear apparently unaffected, but they are certain carrier of disease as there is 50% probability of transmission of the mutant gene to the progeny, thus exhibiting sickle cell trait. The defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid glubivaline at the 6th position of the beta globulin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. The substitution of amino acid in the globulin protein results due to the single base substitution of the 6th codon of the beta globulin gene from GAG to GUG. The mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of the RBC from biconcave disc to elongated sickle cell structure. Phenylketonuria. It is an inborn autosomal recessive metabolic disorders in which homozygous recessive individual lacks the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase needed to change phenylalanine amino acid to tyrosine amino acid in liver. It results in hyperphenylalanemia, which is characterized by accumulation and excretion of phenylalanine, phenylpyruvic acid and related compounds. Lack of the enzyme is due to the abnormal autosomal recessive gene of the chromosomal 12. Accumulation of these in brain results in mental retardation. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by kidney. Thalassemia. This is also an autosome-linked recessive blood disease transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the parents are unaffected carrier of the gene. The defect could be due to either mutation or deletion, which ultimately results in a reduced rate of synthesis of one of the globulin chains, alpha and beta chains, that make up hemoglobin. This causes the formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecules resulting into anemia, which is characteristic of the disease. Thalassemia can be classified according to which chain of the hemoglobin molecule is affected. The alpha thalassemia production of alpha globulin chain is affected, while in beta thalassemia production of beta globulin chain is affected. Alpha thalassemia is controlled by two closely linked genes, HbA1 and HbA2 on chromosome 16 of each pair. That is observed due to the mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 genes. The more genes affected, the less alpha globulin molecules produced, while B thalassemia is controlled by a single gene HBP on chromosome 11 of each parent and occur due to the mutation of one or both of the genes. Thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia in that former is a quantitative problem of synthesize too few globulin molecules, while the latter is qualitative problem of synthesizing and incorrectly functioning globulin. Thank you.